Hello friend, this is Swapnil and welcome to Learn SAP ABAP. So in this session, we are going to see a new ABAP on Hana Syntax which introduced in version 7.5. Okay. So in my last video, we have already seen the first part of SAP ABAP new syntax. So today we are going to continue with the second part, and if required, I will create a third part also. Okay. So there are some more syntax which I will show you how to replace with the new syntax. Okay, so let's get started. But before that, if you are the first time on my channel, then please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification of more technical videos. Okay, and please join my telegram channel also to get the notification of video. Link you may find in the description. Okay, so stay tuned to the end and keep watching Learn SAP. Okay, so I'm in my SAP ABAP editor. Okay, so we have already seen some of the new syntax. Okay, in our first part. If you still didn't watch that video, then you may click on the icon above, or you may also find the link in the description. So please check that first part also. Okay, so today we are going to see some more keywords. Okay, which we can replace old syntax with the new syntax. Okay, so let's start. Here, as you can see, I will just uncomment this thing. Okay, so now here, as you can see, let me comment this data. Here what we are doing, earlier we used to define the field symbol, okay, separately, and then we used to, whenever we want to update any particular row in a table, so we used to used to use this field symbol. Okay, so now I will show you how we can replace this field symbol with the new logic. Okay, so let's see. So I will show you the output also once. Okay, so this is the output, okay, for this query. Okay, so I will show you again now how we can replace this. So I will write here new syntax. What I am going to do, see, I'm not going to define this table header. Okay, so we are just now moving to the, so now we are checking the new syntax. So we will use the new have a keywords, hookers, then coastal, from, just compare my new existing code and new code. Okay, so whatever I'm writing right now, the test into table, we have already seen this. Okay, the inline declaration in the first part. Okay, you can refer my first part also, link in the given in the description. Text. Now here where hookers, now here what I need to do, see, I will just write data lv booker is equal to, I will assign some value here. Okay, here also I have declared, okay, it's the same value, but I have used the inline declaration. Okay, for this. Okay, bookers is equal to at the rate lv vuk. Okay, then if size summary is initial, then initial. So now what you are going to do, I'm just going to, I will copy a code as it is. Okay, so now let's see, here we have not defined the word, the field symbol. So for this, what I can do, I will just use here in the inline declaration. Okay, so field loop at, then assigning, here I will type as a field symbol. Okay, then into bracket we have to write fs, the name of the z test. Okay, the name of the field symbol, and close bracket. Okay, so here we have used the online inline declaration for the field symbol. Okay, this and this we have to compare. Okay, so now what I will do, I will just comment this field symbol syntax. Okay, so I will comment this, and now I will, so this is our new code. Okay, okay, so I will execute this. Now you can see the same output. If I execute, so now this is the same output. Okay, whatever we have seen as per the old syntax. Okay, so this is a way you can, replace the existing field symbol, symbol declaration with the new field symbol. Okay, we have to only declare the field symbol in this line. Okay, whenever we are, looping on this particular table or you are reading any entry. Okay, so now moving ahead, I'll comment this thing. Now I will uncomment the next part. Now basically we are going to see how we can replace the all the read statement. Okay, so let me comment this part now completely. Sorry. Okay, so here still we have some commented code, so I will show you how we can replace this. Okay, here. Now as you can see here, I have already written some select query, okay, using some new data, new syntax, okay, here. Okay, so if you are aware, here I have written one select query, okay, we were fetching the data, okay, from the table. So now you can see here we have a real statement, okay. We have already seen how to declare, how to use the inline declaration real statement, okay, in our free first photos, okay. Here this is our read statement. Basically what we are doing here, we are just, line from data, so we are just reading the one line from the table into work area, okay. Yes, so now I will show you how we can replace this syntax, okay. So for that, what we have to do, see here, what I will write, I will use the data, I will use the inline declaration, here ls tst into bracket is equal to, what does it mean? So here, okay, I will use here new syntax. See here, I have just declared the work area. So now here I will use lt z test into read table, z test into read this table into work area. Now here I will use a bracket, and here I will use the because the condition whatever we have used in this read statement, okay. Here I will use lv vukrs, okay, and close bracket, enter. Then what I will write, I will just copy this code as it is here, okay, below that, okay. Here, now I will show you the output, okay. This is okay, first I will show you output with this read statement. You can compare easily, okay. So this is the output where from the old code. So I will show you the output from the new code. Now I will comment this and I will uncomment this, okay. The same execute. So now also you can see the same output, okay. So by using this this read statement, like this is a basically read data, read table lt text into this work area with key bookers is equal to lv bookers, okay. So now moving ahead, the next select, we will check the next read statement. In the next statement, let's suppose you have to read the value from one, you have to read the data with the index, okay, with the index. So as per the old logic, we are using this statement, right, read table into work area this index is, okay. So I will show you how we can write the, we can replace this logic, okay. So here what we have, new syntax, okay. So here what I will write, again I will do the same thing, okay. Data inline declaration ls tst, okay, is equal to, now here what I will do, read table z test into work area. Then what I will do, here I have to use only one, okay. So that means I'm just reading the value of first index, okay. So as I will copy as it is this code here, okay. Okay, now I will show you the output. I will comment this new syntax, I will show you the output with the old one. Sorry, what happened, this one, okay, check. And okay, if I will execute now, so you can find this output. So what I will do, I will comment this old real statement, and I will uncomment this new one, okay. So now if I will execute, okay, so let me change this also. So if I will execute, so you will find the same output, okay. So there is no any difference, okay. That means we are reading the value from one. Let's suppose you have to read the value of the fifth index, so here we have to just only write the fifth, okay. But now the data is not available, so it is not going to retrieve any value, okay. So I'll use a one, okay. So this is way plus the index value, okay. You can replace index, okay. Now moving ahead, now we will check out this condition next. Here what we are doing, here get a particular field from one table to another variable. Okay, what is here, we are just reading the data, and what are the value we have in this work area, we are assigning in the one variable. Okay, and we are printing this variable. Okay, I will show you the output if I will execute. So you can find only one value of ppq, okay, from this q still. Okay, so I will show you how we can replace this. Okay, the new syntax, this this whole read statement syntax. So what here we need to do basically, so here I will write the data. Here what, let's see, now here is some difference. Okay, I have to read this value only. Okay, so what I will do, I will just use lv coastal here, data, this is a field is equal to, now from which table, this table, right? So I will use this table into bracket, then what I have this bookers as a in with bookers is equal to read data into this field with the bookers with key bookers equal to lv bookers. Okay, so now that's it. Okay, we have already seen this kind of the syntax. Okay, in a first real statement. Okay, but now here what we have to do, we have to just call, you have to read the value for a particular field. Okay, so in that case what I need to, I will just type cast, I will just write kostl. Okay, so means in this structure we have this, in this table we have this field. So what we are doing from this table, with the value of this field, based on this condition, from this table, value of this field based on this condition, we are passing into this variable. Okay, so this is the mean. Okay, so here now what I will do, I will simply use the right here and lv k ostl. Okay, and I will comment this because we have already seen the output of this. Okay, so now if I will execute this, so you will get the same out, c ppqm, and it's the same output from this code. Okay, so this is the way. I will tell you again, this is basically a table. From this table, for this field, based on this condition, bookers is equal to bookers, we are passing the value of this variable. Okay, and we are printing this variable. Okay, so this is the new syntax in which we can get the particular field from one table to the another variable. Okay, so now we'll comment down, moving ahead. Next, what we have next, next we have, okay, so here also you can find one create statement. Here we are just reading the data, transporting no field. In that sense, this query basically in ABAP we use basically to check with the particular record is exist in the table or not. Okay, so that is why we use this query. Okay, wait, let me write here. Let me write something here. I will write evaluate exist. Okay, so this real statement we in ABAP we are basically using in order to check if the particular record exists in the table or not. Okay, so I will show you the output of this table. Okay, if it is initial, then we are getting the exist. Okay, so now I will show you how we can replace this. Okay, so what we have to do for that is we have to write just if line underscore exist, we have to use here into bracket, then I will use again the same z test to bracket. What is the query? Bookers is equal to lv bookers, close bracket, close bracket. Okay, if line exist, now here what I will write, I will use the right exist. Okay, so this is the read table. Basically here we are using transporting no field, and here we are just checking with the line exists with this table based on this condition. Okay, okay, so now what I will do, I will comment this, will check the output. Now I will comment this and we'll check the output of this using, if I will execute. So now you can see the same because the line exists. Okay, so what we have to do, so in order to replace the transporting notebook, we have to use the line exist lt dash bookers is equal to bookers, right? Okay, so if it exists, then it will it will just give the output. Okay,
If you like this video, then press the like button below. If you have any doubt, then write me in the comment section below. If you want to learn more about ABAP, then visit to my website www.learningsapabapp.com. The link is also given in the description. and please subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon to get notification about my next upcoming videos. Okay, so friends, bye, signing out.